when you look at defense in general in the US, and the way that we procure things, like we are at war now, but the wars that we are at and the wars that we go into are much different from the war here. And here you have like a front line. You have a place where thousands and thousands and thousands of people are fighting every day. And the technology needs to work there, and it's very easy to get it out there. And so I think that that really lends itself to, you hear a lot about scrappy startups, but also just like much faster iteration cycles, because you can take something and actually know if it works on the order of like days instead of, many, many, many months to years.
So you're not doing as much testing in the lab versus deploying on the field. So you have a pretty quick information feedback loop on how the technology works and what's doing well and what's not doing well. I guess that's a real benefit to the improvement of drone technology. Terrible circumstances, but at least we're making some progress. How fast is the drone versus drone technology race advancing? Because I know that also, of course, Russia uses a lot of drones and Ukraine uses a lot of drones. So is it something where you can kind of see one side pull ahead and the other side catch up and back and forth like that?
Yeah, I think the big advantage that Ukraine has is Starlink. So they have access to Starlink, and Russia doesn't have access to Starlink. You're seeing more AI drones coming out of Ukraine than you're seeing out of Russia. I think Russia clearly has an advantage in the, call it like Lucas type, shithead type drones. They produce like hundreds of them every day. And yeah, I mean, it's definitely constantly changing. It seems like a situation where there are no winners, right? There's only losers.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
it doesn't seem like anybody is kind of breaking away, as far as that goes.
Okay, so you have identified a real problem and you put together a solid solution and a business model that you believe in. So you're all set to launch your new company, right? Not so fast. If you want investors and potential customers to take your new business seriously, you need to consider forming a Delaware C Corp. And that's where Northwest Registered Agent comes in. They're going to give your new company a real identity. That means an address for your public filings, a domain, a custom website, a business email, and of course a phone number. And that's going to take just 10 minutes and 10 clicks. They don't charge hidden fees. Customer service is available around the clock. They're not overwhelming your inbox with spam, and they make it easy to cancel at any time. So get all the advantages of a Delaware C Corp, independent, regardless of where in the US you're operating from. Visit northwestregisteredagent.com/twist for more details, and the links are in the show notes.